everybody, today I'm going to be showing you a new selection of Giftables. This is a new collection under the Creative Craft Product brand. So the idea behind these is to have a creative way to hold a gift card or some money. So you have here your Christmas tree, so this one will have a gift card popped inside. This one is your new house, so the doors will open, or the sides, it's like a gatefold, and it will reveal the gift card. This one here is your money clip gift card holder die set. You can roll the money up and it will go through the little loops. You've got the butterfly one here, and then this one you can have as a shirt, but there's also a bow tie as well that you can add. This one here is one of my favourites. I think this is the mobile phone. I think it would be really popular. So this is a flip phone as well. So you flip it over and inside will have the gift card. You've got all of these dies that will create all of the different icons, and you've got emojis there as well. This one here is your cupcake. So this one, you pull the top of the cupcake and it will reveal your gift card. This works in a similar way. So this is your present. You pull the top and it will reveal the gift card. This is the one I'm actually going to be demonstrating today. And then this one here is a larger one, and this is the only one that would need a larger die machine for. The width of this is too wide. It's wider than 6 inches, which most standard machines are. So I just wanted to point that one out. But again, this works the same way. You pull this down and it will reveal your money that you can lay flat, or you can pop a gift card in there as well. So they are all easy to put together, but I am going to demonstrate this one with you today. And then you'll be able to find all of the others being made over on my channel, which is Mixed Up Craft on YouTube. So if you have purchased any of the others, you'll be able to find how they're put together. And that video will also be on the website as well. So you can see here you've got your 4 dies. So I've already gone ahead and I've cut the bow in the gold mirrored card there. I've cut this strip here, which will give you your faux kind of wrap effect there. I've then cut the main die here. And I've just used my school board to just go over the school lines, so they're a little bit more easier to fold. And then I've cut the base one in the red, but I've also cut it again in the gold. What I want to do with this one is just snip off the top portion here. And I'm going to reattach that, probably with a little bit of foam onto the top there. So now all the pieces are cut. This one here, you just want to fold in the sides, and you're going to bring up the back here. We just need to add a little glue, or you can run some tape just along the tabs here. Just keep those both folded in and just bring this one up, like so. And you'll see now that this one will slide inside to give you that present shape. This one here will wrap around, so you're going to attach it like so, and then just wrap it, or you could cut it separately like so. I'm just going to snip that off, and again add my glue. I then just cut myself a strip of foam here. I'm just going to lay that one over the top and then attach this piece. That one in there, and then I'm going to attach my bow here. I think I'm going to add a little gemstone in the center there as well. So just added my little gemstone there. Now I don't have a gift card, but I have just taken my hotel chocolate card here just to show you an example on how it does look. You've got space on the back there to be able to write your message. You could also write on there as well, but that will fit now nicely inside your greeting card, or you could pop it in a small envelope on its own and send it like so. So thank you for watching today. You will be able to find all of this product over on the CraftStash website. You can also follow the link here. You can subscribe to our channel here if you haven't done so already. And if you want some more inspiration, check out our video here.